Hello, hello, hello. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to Annie in Duluth. Tonight I am making crab cakes. Not actually crab cakes, we're just gonna call them Annie cakes. It's a spin-off on crab cakes. This is what I'm gonna do. All right, I am going to saute up a little red and yellow pepper, some celery, red onion, very important. It's so good and so flavorful. A little bit of parsley. And in here, what I have is capers, Old Bay seasoning, a little Tabasco sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and just for fun, wasabi sauce to give it a little kick. In lieu of crab meat, this is what I have. I have fresh or chopped shrimp. You don't want to get it cooked. You want this to be raw. I have tilapia, which is very lovely and affordable. And this is actually, I had some Gordon's Fisherman frozen fish in my freezer. So that's actually what I'm using as my third fish. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simply saute all this up together and move on to the next step. Yay! Oh, smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I'm excited for dinner. I cannot wait to see what comes next. This is just, okay. Oh, so we're rolling. Hello, welcome back. Our beautiful little crab cake mixture, whitefish mixture, whatever you want to call it, is chilled. All we are going to do to this, my friends, we are going to add in a little bit of mayo. We're going to add in 2 eggs. That's it. And we're going to toss in some breadcrumbs. Any flavor you like is fine. And we're going to stir this in, and we're going to make some crab cake patties out of it. Alrighty, folks. So we have our crab cake mix, our Annie cake mix, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to saute this kind of over a medium-low heat. You don't want the heat to be too hot because you want them to be lovely and golden brown. And we're just going to grill these for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. And then we'll see what happens. Oh, yes. We have beautiful, beautiful, golden brown, luscious Annie cakes. What we have here, we're just gonna top this with a little remoulade sauce, kind of just a fancy name for tartar sauce. And all this is, it's a little combination of some mayo, capers, pickles, white wine vinegar, or you can use white wine as well, sploosh of mayo, and a sploosh of hot sauce. It just adds the perfect amount of flavor and flair. And oh my goodness, bon appetit. Have a beautiful day.